Hello everyone, welcome to Akshita Maths Academy. Today we are going to discuss 10th class maths. The chapter is quadratic equation. In 10th class we are discussing the topic is quadratic equation. Before going to the problems, actually what is quadratic equation means? What is the form of quadratic equation? There is the quadratic equation is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0, where a comma b comma c are real numbers and a is not equals to 0. The quadratic equation must and should be there in the form of ax square plus bx plus c, and here a comma b comma c are the real numbers, and in every question if we observe means that there should be a is equals to something else, but except 0. A అనేది 0 కి ఈక్వల్ గా ఉండదు. Either it should be 1 2 3 so on after we can take any type of number except 0. So this is a quadratic equation. If పవర్లో 2, if we see power is 2, పవర్లో 2 ఉంటే quadratic equation అనేది అవుతుంది. If there is no power in 2, then there is the question is not a quadratic equation. Yes, it must and should be contained in the form of square only. It not should be either it in this place square, cube, 4 is there power means it is not a quadratic equation. ఖచ్చితంగా పవర్లో 2 ఉంటేనే దాన్ని మనం క్వాడ్రాటిక్ ఈక్వేషన్ అనేది తీసుకోవడం అనేది జరుగుతుంది. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ చూసుకుంటే ఇఫ్ యూ టేక్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ 2x square minus 5x plus 3 is equals to 0. This is a quadratic equation. Suppose like this there, 3 minus 2x square plus 5x like this there. It is also quadratic equation because the power is 2. Either it should be first there, either it should be middle there. We can write this like this also. Now we can change this equation, minus 2x square plus 5x plus 3 is equals to 0. We can write like this also. So now the power is how much here? 2. Then this is a quadratic equation. Simple ma. Quadratic equation means it must and should contain this form. If the question is in the form, it is a quadratic equation. If the question is not in this the form, is it is not a quadratic equation. Now let us see some problems on quadratic equation. Now we are going to see 5.1 exercise. If you observe here, see in exercise 5.1, first bit is check whether the following are quadratic equations. అంటే ఇక్కడ ఉన్నాయి quadratic equations అయితాయా కాదా అనేది చెక్ చేయమని అన్నాడు. సో వాట్ ఈస్ ద ఫస్ట్ క్వశ్చన్ హియర్? x plus 1 whole square is equals to 2 into x minus 3. We have to solve this problem. So exercise 5.1. What is the first question is x plus 1 whole square is equals to 2 into x minus 3. Now we have to solve this problem. If you observe here, it is in the form of a plus b whole square. It is in the form of which form there? A plus b whole square. What is the formula for a plus b whole square? A square plus 2ab plus b square. Here a is x, b is 1. A is equals to x, b is equals to 1 there. We have to simplify this. How we can simplify? What is this a square? Means we have to write x square plus 2 into a plus what there? X, b plus 1 there. 1 into something will be 1 only. Plus b square, 1 square. Now 2 into x plus x minus 3. We have to multiply this inside. 2 into x, 2x minus 2 into 3, 6. in next step, right side terms come to the left side. X square plus 2x plus 1 square is nothing but 1. This plus 2x coming this side means it will be take minus 2x. Here minus changes into plus 6. Next, x square, here plus 2x minus 2x cancel. Here plus 1 plus 6. What will become plus 7 is equals to 0. Final solution how much? X square plus 7 is equals to 0. Now it is a quadratic equation or not. We have to check. What we have discussed in previous definition, the quadratic equation must and should contain the power is 2. Here we got first equation is power 2 only now. So this is a quadratic equation. This is a quadratic equation. See next question. If we see next question, what there? X square minus 2x is equals to minus 2 of 3 minus x. Next we have to solve this. What there? X square minus 2x is equals to minus 2 of 3 minus x. If we see the solution here, how much there? X square minus 2x. Here minus 2 into 3, how much through 3 is 6. Minus 6. Next step, minus into minus will become plus 2 into x, 2x. In next step, these terms will come to the this side. X square minus 2x minus 6 will become plus 6 plus 2x will become minus 2x. If you observe minus 2x will become how much? Minus 4x plus 6 is equals to 0. X square minus 4x plus 6 is equals to 0. It is in the form of which ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0. So this is a quadratic equation. This is a quadratic equation. Why? Because it is in the form of ax square. Power is its 2 here. So this is a quadratic equation. Now let us see third one. What there? X minus 2 into x plus 1 is equals to x minus 1 into x plus 3. X minus 2 into x plus 1 is equals to x plus 5. Sorry. X minus 1 into x plus 3. Now we have to find the solution. What will become? First one, what there? X minus 2 into x plus 1 is equals to x minus 1 into x plus 3. We have to multiply these two terms and we have to multiply these two terms. First we have to multiply LHS two terms. X into x will become a x square. X into 1 will become plus x. Minus 2 into x minus 2x. Minus into plus minus 2 into 1 2 is equals to, here also same. Similarly we have to multiply first term with these both terms, again this term with both terms. X into x will become x square. X into plus 3 plus 3x. Minus into plus minus will come minus 1 into x minus x. Here minus into plus minus 3. Now x square plus x minus 2x will become a minus x. Minus 2 is equals to x square plus 3x minus 2x will become a plus 2x minus 3. Now this term will become left side. What will come? X square minus x minus 2 plus x square will come minus x square minus 2x minus 3 will become plus 3 is equals to 0. If we observe plus x square minus x square is cancel. What are the remaining terms here? Minus x minus 2x. Minus x minus 2x will become minus 3x. Minus 2 plus 3 will become, here plus there, here minus there means plus 1 is equals to 0. We required final solution how much came up? Minus 3x plus 1 is equals to 0. if we compare with this quadratic equation, it is a quadratic, it is in the form of quadratic. No. Why? Because there is no power 2, only constant term and x terms are there. There is no x square terms. So this is not a quadratic equation. This is not a quadratic equation. So if there is the power 2 means only it will become a quadratic equation. Next, fourth one. If we observe fourth one, what is there in the fourth one? X minus 3 into 2x plus 1 is equals to x into x plus 5. First round, write down the question. X minus 3 into 2x plus 1 is equals to x into x plus 5. Now, we have to solve this problem. We have to, what a given one, write down first. Given x minus 3, 2x plus 1 is equals to x into x plus 5. Here multiply x minus 3 into 2x plus 1, we have to multiply. X into 2x, what will come? 2x square. Next, x into 1 will become plus x minus 3 2 is 6, 6x minus into plus minus 3. Next, x into x, x square plus 5x. In next term, this term will become this side. X square minus x minus 6x will minus plus x minus 6x will become minus 5x minus 3. Plus x square will become minus x square, minus 5x will plus will become minus 5x is equals to 0. Here plus 2x square minus x square plus 2 minus what will come? Plus x square minus 5x will become minus 10x minus 3 is equals to 0. Now if we observe, it is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0. So the power is 2 now. So this is a quadratic equation. This is a quadratic equation. This is a quadratic equation. Till now we have solved the 4 problems. Remaining again 4 problems are there. If we check this, 2x minus 1, x minus 3 is equal to x plus 5 into x minus 1. If you observe this, 2x into x will become 2x square, and your x into x also become x square. Here is square there. Square there means it will be possible. So this is a quadratic equation. Next, if you observe sixth one, x square plus 3x plus 1 is equals to x minus 2 whole square. If this form is split into a minus b whole square, here x square will come. This x square will be taken from this side, means this x square will be cancelled. So there is no power of x square. So this is not a quadratic equation. It is not a quadratic equation. Next, seventh. If you observe seventh, x plus 2 whole cube is equals to 2x into x square minus 1. If you observe here, mean only power is cube. Power is cube. Something x plus a plus b whole cube formula if we apply means here x cube will become. What we have discussed in the previous, the quadratic equation must and should contain only power 2. No 3, 4. So here containing 3 means it is not a quadratic equation. Next, eighth one, see, x cube minus 4x square minus x plus 1 is equals to x minus 2 whole cube. Here a minus b whole cube will be applied. Here x cube will become. Here also x cube will become. But it is a quadratic equation. By ఇది quadratic equation కాదు కదా మేడం, ఇది quadratic equation అంటున్నారు ఎట్లా అని అంటే, సో ఇది x cube ఉంది LHS, but here RHS also we have x cube. If this taken come this x cube to the LHS side, this x cube and this x cube will be cancelled. So remaining terms what will be there? Here x square terms left, here x term will be left. In this also we can solve this, x square will become. So totally x cube term will be cancelled. So remaining square terms will be there. So this is a quadratic equation. Similarly, these 4 problems do it as a homework. Why? Because మీరు చేస్తూ ఉంటేనే మీకు ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ అనేది కూడా ఐడియా వస్తుంది, ఎట్లా చేయాలి ఏం చేయాలి అనేది. ఎట్లా అయితే 4 ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ సాల్వ్ చేసామో సిమిలర్గా ఆ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్తోని ఈ 4 ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ మీరు ఒక్కసారి సాల్వ్ చేశారంటే మీకు ఒకసారి ఐడియా అనేది వస్తుంది. సో నెక్స్ట్ వీడియోలో మనం సెకండ్ బిట్ గురించి చూద్దాం. 5.1 ఎక్సర్సైజ్ సెకండ్ క్వశ్చన్ సెకండ్ ప్రాబ్లంలో ఉన్న ఈ 4 క్వశ్చన్స్ని సాల్వ్ చేద్దాం. సో ప్రజెంట్ అయితే ఈ ఫస్ట్ బిట్ చూడండి. సో ఏం లేదు, జస్ట్ క్వాడ్రాటిక్ ఈక్వేషన్ అంటే ఏంటిది, పవర్లో 2 ఉందా అయితే అది క్వాడ్రాటిక్ ఈక్వేషన్, దట్స్ ఇట్. ఇఫ్ దర్ పవర్ is not 2, if there is cube means also it is not a quadratic equation. We can simply say that it is not a quadratic equation. If you like the video, please do subscribe to our channel and share it to your friends. They can also useful this video. Please like, share and comment if you want any type of problems. If